Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make a cool pop-up card with hearts inside. So we're gonna take some cardstock, heavy-duty paper, fold it in half, and there's our card. That was easy. Okay, then you're gonna take several other pieces of colored paper. You could use construction paper. This would even be pretty with all white if you did it with all white. And then you're gonna draw on the side of the paper with a pencil, fold it in half, just like the card, and then you're gonna draw half of a heart, right? Half of a heart. And you're gonna do them getting smaller. I already did a few. Now I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do the yellow one. And this is the smallest one I did so far, so I'm just gonna make it a little smaller than that. So, I'm just putting it there. And I'm just guessing. Plus, I'll tell you a secret. I've never actually done this craft before, so this is an experiment. And a lot of times experiments are the best way to figure something out and make something new. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but you're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so I've got these all here, sort of in order of how big they are, yes, okay. And then I'm going to cut them out. I'm gonna cut on the inside of the pencil line, so I don't have any pencil line showing. That's my plan. Here I go, it's a lot of cutting. I'm gonna cut pretty quick. Okay. Here's the blue one. I think it's interesting how different colors go together. Sometimes they sort of make your eyes zing, especially these super bright ones. And then don't throw away this stuff. I wouldn't, because that's me. Because look how cool that is when you cut it out. And then you could put it on top of another piece of paper. Look how cool that is. That would be a cool card, or just a really cool like poster or something. You could like write some cool stuff on it or decorate it. Okay, where are we? Here we are on yellow. Cut, cut, cut. There we go. And we have all of our little hearts over there and all of our cool pieces of paper over here. There's the last one, super, super bright pink. Almost glows. Okay, now I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take this one, and some glue. You could use a glue stick. I'm not a big fan of glue sticks because it's so much plastic and not that much glue in my opinion. Now I'm gonna take my heart with the, fold like that, and just do a little bit of glue on there. You don't need a million, billion gallons of glue because it'll just goop out. Okay, so then I'm pushing that down on the inside of the card, exactly like where the other lines, they just line up where you folded it. Okay, here's this one. A little line of glue on the fold. Got a little glue up there, grab that off. And I'll stick that inside of this one. And I'm kind of using my fingernail to push it down. Okay, here's pink. Oh, this is looking pretty cool already. All right. It has a little wobbliness. And if you wanted to make sure they're all smaller and whatever, you could take a look at it before you glue it together, but I'm doing an experiment. Woo, look how pretty that is. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, daringly, is fold the whole thing over and smush it down so it's all really good glued. And I'm gonna open it up and just kind of make sure they're not too much stuck together where the glue stuck out. But there's glue on them. Okay, and then you can see how they're gonna pop out when you open up the card. But first you have to let it dry. See how that is? That's cool. If you want to, you can glue this one down, but if you don't glue it down, there's more room to write in the card if you wanted to write something to someone. Also, it's just a really cool thing to like sit on your table or whatever. I love you. Have a great day.